small things changes, then big things start changing, because as your belief system starts changing. What is your belief? Your belief is nothing but your most practiced thought. The thoughts you think over and over again becomes your belief system. Right? And when the emotions changes, when the feelings changes, your belief changes. So our whole journey, the whole spiritual journey is about mastering your thoughts, mastering your emotions. That is the highest form of human mastery. We came in this whole three-dimensional world. In this, ये सृष्टि पे पृथ्वी पे हम आए हैं, ये शरीर में अवतरित हुए हैं, ताकि हम अपने इमोशंस पे, अपनी भावना पे मास्टरी पा सकें, अपने विचार पे मास्टरी पा सकें. Then everything changes in our life. That is what we take the power back to ourselves.